We're taking off, let's soar. On the track, we'll show them what we're for. TDR racing, hear the crowds cheer together. We'll race, our vision's crystal clear. Adrenaline pumping, we're ready for the chase. With every heartbeat, we own this space. Race cars roaring, turning dreams to reality. In the spotlight, we embrace our duality. Victory's calling, we answer loud and clear. Hold tight, we're taking off, let's soar. On the track, we'll show them what we're for. TDR racing, hear the crowds cheer together. We'll race, our vision's crystal clear. Join us now, feel the rush, the thrill. TDR forever, we race with skill. Join us now, feel the rush, the thrill. TDR forever, we race with skill. Hold tight.
So yeah, this is our channel, TDRTV17. Yorkshire grip, Yorkshire racing at its best. We're like a teamo version of the drift games. So as you can see, we race Stoxkarts, we race track cars, and we do a bit of everything. We go to car shows, touring cars, and we film it all. We're not looking to be monetized, we're not looking for fame. We just started videoing our progress when we first started, and we just continue throughout. We keep adding subscribers, and with over 115,000 views, we want to keep going. And if you want to be along for the ride, come with us. Don't expect polished perfection, don't expect fanciness. You just get me, my family, and the race cars. Please subscribe, and thanks for giving us a try. Sit it.